I put my kickstand down. I said, "What's up?" And they always get back in the car. How many mirrors do you own?
None actually. I almost did one time, and then I fucked myself off.
I got 2 on my belt, but I'm not proud of it.
Really bad that she fucking merged into me.
Yeah.
I red bombed and everything. She kept merging, and I came up from a red light and she used her fucking mirrors, and she got all upset. I'm like, alright, like at least she had a 0-4.
Like, ironically, one of the mirrors out of the 2 was a white BMW, and we were on the highway, right? And he kind of like merged into me, and like I threw my hands up like what the fuck and rev bombed. But then he did it. He went to do it again purposely. So I dropped the gear, and then I fucking lane split between 2 semis, and he like was flashing his blinkers and shit, but I was gone. Can you hear the bike? You heard that? That's the thing with Sennas, bro. They're good, bro. They're good quality. Oh yeah, this clutch is perfect now. Fuck yeah. I have a base model Senna I would give you, potentially, from my old helmet. No, that was the one I have on now. That was the one from the factory, they have like stupid glossy ones and shit. Like, I would never do glossy talking about like dead stop red light traffic, not fucking like speed. I'm so gay I can't even drive. I thought it was fucking hilarious. I was dying. so gay I can't even drive straight. It's fun. But yeah, I'm home now. I'm home. That was the quickest ride home. I was blasting it, bro. I was going fast as fuck, and you still didn't hear the bike at once.
No, not at all, dude.
See, bro.